Here is how to upload content to your course inside FlowChat. First step is to go into the lesson that you wish to include content, and then click the pencil icon and type your messaging. Once you type out all the information that you want to include in this lesson, you can easily customize it by clicking bold, underline, different fonts, different colors. If you wish to remove all the font styles that you've included, just click the erase button. And here's how to include a link. Click the link icon and then grab the link that you wish to include. So the text display, so this could say whatever title you wanted to display inside the lesson. So it could just be spreadsheet, or this the title of your spreadsheet. And then this is the place that the URL will take you. So include the link. And then if you want this to open in a new window, check this box, then click insert link. And it will be easily clickable if you click save. If you click this button, now it's going to take you to that spreadsheet or a doc, whatever link that you included. You can go back to editing here, and there are a lot of different options. You can add a table, more links, pictures, images, and then catch the next video on how I show you how to upload a video. It will be embedded using Vimeo.